Hi, Monlifa Kumona here. I'm the journalist for today. And we're in Norwood shooting the group Mikasa. So it's going to be exciting and yeah, join us.
Can you let me into your space? I promise that I won't touch, I won't taste.
Not too bad for a white guy.
Respecting your every move, choosing what not to do.
Boiti or Zizobeta? Both. Boiti.
I just wanna turn you on.
I think that's the most important thing. I don't view myself as a white guy or a black guy. I'm just a human being.
Wanna turn you on. I just wanna.
Right now, 3.5 years down the line, kind of been like from, I think it's been like a story of two extremes. It's been like, you know, started from nothing and, well, we didn't even know each other. And now, you know, we just got back from playing at the Commonwealth Games in Scotland. You know, we just did two-city tour in Italy. We're going to Brazil. Sukasa just went double platinum. So it's like, you know, two complete extremes. That's kind of where we're at. It's just, but there's one kind of like current throughout, and that's just blessings. It's just been incredible, man. 3.5 years of blessings.